Major Michigan grocers Kroger and Meijer are reporting their first employee coronavirus-related deaths. Replying to inquiries from the Free Press, Kroger sent out a statement that 4 Kroger employees at different locations in Metro Detroit had died, and Meijer confirmed one death of a worker at an undisclosed location. In an email to the Free Press, Ken DeLuca, president of the Kroger Co. of Michigan, said, "We are deeply saddened to learn of the passing of 4 Kroger family members who worked at our stores in Northville, 425 North Center, Troy 3125 John R., Grosse Pointe 16919 Kercheval, and Livonia 30935 5 Mile Road, Michigan. We are mourning along with their families during this extraordinarily difficult time." Quote, "These are believed to be the first known deaths of grocery stores workers reported in Michigan." Kroger said they are working with local health departments and taking steps to support and safeguard its associates and customers. Both Kroger and Meijer reiterated efforts to continuously follow detailed cleaning and sanitation procedures to protect employees and customers. "We are deeply saddened to confirm that we have recently lost our first Meijer team members as a result of complications due to COVID-19, a Meijer spokesman said in a statement. "Out of respect for the team members and their families, we will not share any additional details and ask that you respect their privacy during this difficult time." Meijer also said it has informed team members at the affected stores. Under Gov. Gretchen Whitmer's stay-at-home executive order, grocery stores remain open because they are considered essential for people to go to for food and, in some cases, prescriptions. But as the pandemic marks its wide swatch across the country, the grocery workers have been concerned about health and safety. As of Saturday, Michigan has reported 1,392 deaths from COVID-19. Nearly 24,000 confirmed cases have been reported statewide. Yet, grocery store workers remain on the front lines. On Monday, the United Food and Commercial Workers, which represents 1.3 million workers in food and retail, is expected to announce estimates on grocery worker coronavirus infections and COVID-19 deaths. In a letter to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) this week, Mark Perrone, UFCW International President, called on the agency to issue standard mandatory safety guidance grocery stores, pharmacies and food processing facilities to ensure workers at the front line of the country's food supply and prescription drugs remain safe. UFCW International President Mark Perrone released the following statement. "American workers in grocery stores, pharmacies, and food production are on the front lines of the coronavirus outbreak to make sure families have the food and medicine they need. Every day, these brave workers are in close contact with sometimes thousands of customers, increasing their own risk of becoming infected with the virus. With the growing threat of the coronavirus, we are urging the CDC to issue new mandatory guidance that standardizes safety protocols for grocery stores, pharmacies, food processing and meatpacking facilities. Given the nature of the threat, the CDC must also provide new guidelines for physical distancing, enhanced cleaning, disinfecting and hygiene practices, personal protective equipment (PPE), and best practices for customers." On April 1, Kroger reached an agreement with the United Food and Commercial Workers Local 876 for hero pay and more safety measures for Kroger workers. Local 876 represents 16,500 Kroger workers in Michigan. The agreement also included a promise to provide masks and other safety equipment to workers as soon as they become available. Kroger is also in the process of trying to hire 2,000 more workers in Michigan.